if you're purchasing a dental office from another retiring dentist, make sure you transfer the ownership of the office's Google profile to your Gmail account. So how do you make this transfer request? Here are the steps. On your browser, go to business.google.com and click on sign in. And here you enter your Gmail user ID and password and log in. Once you log in, it will automatically take you to this page. On this page, enter the name of the dental office that you are purchasing. And make sure the address matches and select the dental office. And then click request access. On this page, provide some details about you. Over here, since you're looking for the transfer of ownership, select ownership and your relationship to business owner, and provide your name and phone number here. And hit submit. You will see the confirmation screen here. At this point, the request is sent, and you can close this window by clicking on this done. On the other end, the current owner is going to receive an email from Google Business about your transfer request, and they can approve your request by clicking on this respond button and choose transfer ownership and hit submit. And that completes the ownership transfer request. And at this point, you would be able to make any edits to your Google profile, upload your office pictures, get reviews from your patients, or even respond back to those reviews, etc.